Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD JPY slips below mid 105.00s, fresh multi-month lows amid notable USD supply. http ntvforex.com news ID 66822. 4 minutes ago. By Haresh Menghani. USD JPY remained under some heavy selling pressure for the third straight session on Monday. Concerns about rising coronavirus cases weighed on the USD and kept exerting some pressure. Worsening US-China relations benefited the safe haven JPY and further added to the selling bias. The USD JPY pair maintained its heavily offered tone through the early European session and slipped below mid 105.00s, hitting the lowest level since mid-March. The pair extended last week's bearish break below the 106.6560 horizontal support and witnessed some aggressive selling for the third consecutive session on Monday. The downfall also marked the fourth day of a negative move in the previous 5 and was sponsored by sustained selling bias surrounding the US dollar. The greenback started the week on a downbeat note amid worries that the resurgence in COVID-19 cases in the United States could undermine the recovery in the world's biggest economy. This, in turn, fueled speculations that the Fed would continue adding more stimulus for a longer period of time and in bigger quantities. Bearish traders further took cues from sliding U.S. Treasury bond yields. Adding to this, concerns over worsening US-China relations benefited the Japanese yen's perceived safe haven status against its American counterpart. Diplomatic tensions between the world's two largest economies escalated further last week after both sides ordered the closure of consulates in Houston and Chengdu. Apart from the mentioned fundamental factors, the ongoing fall could further be attributed to some follow-through technical selling below the 106.00 mark. Meanwhile, oscillators are still holding above the oversold territory and support prospects for a further decline, possibly towards challenging the key 105.00 psychological mark. Market participants now look forward to the U.S. economic docket, highlighting the release of durable goods orders later during the early North American session. The data might influence the USD price dynamics, which along with the broader market risk sentiment will be looked upon for some meaningful trading opportunities. Technical levels to watch. USD JPY. Overview. Today last price. 105.42. Today daily change. 0.71. Today daily change percent. 0.67. Today daily open. 106.13. Trends. Daily SMA 20. 107.21. Daily SMA 50. 107.45. Daily SMA 100. 107.54. Daily SMA 200. 108.34. Levels. Previous daily high. 106.9. Previous daily low. 105.68. Previous weekly high. 107.54. Previous weekly low. 105.68. Previous monthly high. 109.85. Previous monthly low. 106.08. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 106.15. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 106.44. Daily Pivot Point S1. 105.58. Daily Pivot Point S2. 105.02. Daily Pivot Point S3. 104.36. Daily Pivot Point R1. 106.8. Daily Pivot Point R2. 107.46. Daily Pivot Point R3. 108.02. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.